Hi kids, let's learn some colors. These are all the color pencils. Red color, blue color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, light pink color, black color, light green color, orange color. Okay, let's draw alphabets. Light green color, A. A for apple. Small A for apple. Orange color, B for ball. Small B for ball. Red color, C for cat. Small C for cat. Green color, D for dog. Small D for dog. Pink color, E for egg. Small E for egg. Yellow color, F for fish. Small F. Blue color, G for goat. Small G for goat. Violet color, H for hand. Small H for hand. Orange color, I for ink. Small I for ink. Brown color, J for jar. Small J for jar. Yellow color, K for kite. Small K for kite. Blue color, L for lion. Small L for lion. Light green color, M for mango. Small M for mango. Orange color, N for nest. Small N for nest. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. Bye kids.